G'day folks, Frank here from Lloyd's Classic Car Auctions, introducing a very special HSV. It's the very last Clubsport R8 to ever be produced by Holden, the last one off the production line, being offered to the public for the very first time. It's lot 800 in our grand CARMada annual auction event in September. Let's take a closer look. This special vehicle is the final build for the VF 30th anniversary Clubsport R8 LSA and is being offered for sale to the public for the first time, indicating a mere 753 kilometres on the odometer. This iconic Holden is the ultimate collector's car. After being acquired directly through HSV, this Clubsport LSA was never sent to a dealership and has remained a part of the current custodian's collection ever since. The vehicle still has its steering wheel and driver's seat protectors on it. It is accompanied by 2 keys with the manufacturer's tag still on them, 30th anniversary package, letter of authenticity from HSV, as well as original and preserved copies of the stickers that came on the vehicle, such as the floor mat and fuel consumption stickers. So there we have it, folks. Like I said, it's lot 800 in our annual Grand CARMada auction event, the end of September. We cannot wait to see how it goes. lloydsauctions.com.au is where you'll find it, or you can give us a call, of course, 1800 456 588. I'll see you at the auction.